Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day you might be viewing this video of mine. I'd like to give you a special welcome. My name is Malcolm Pennington and I'm the owner and the founder of GLOBIT. And if you're looking into the subject of cryptocurrency right now, then I would like you to click on the link below this video where it says learn more. And on the next page you can enter your name, your phone number and your email, and it will be my pleasure to provide you with further information. And in fact, you might even take me up on my offer to have a private and personal consultation with me, anywhere between 30 and 60 minutes, where you can get all your questions answered. Now you might be asking, well, why would you want to do that? Well, let me explain. I came across the word Bitcoin about 4.5 years ago when an accountant friend of mine mentioned that word Bitcoin. He's a corporate accountant. In fact, he's worked all over the world in places like Bermuda, London, Hong Kong and China, etc. And so because of his financial position, I was curious, but it really went over my head, to be honest. But I took a closer look and I'm really pleased that I did do, because I've had such a fantastic experience that I thought, wouldn't it be a great idea if I could start a new business where I can provide my experiences to new people like you perhaps, who are finding out about cryptocurrency for the first time and who have many questions. In fact, if you were like me when I got started, you'll have many questions and probably a lot of confusion. I wouldn't be surprised if you've spoken to friends or family about the word Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, etc. You might have spoken to business associates and business colleagues, but probably the likelihood is they've probably advised you to steer well away of this new thing called cryptocurrency. And I think the reason for that is people just don't understand it. And of course, not only do they not understand it, but people just don't have any experience. And it's a little bit like the internet sort of 20 years ago. Who understood the internet 20 years ago? Who understood what it was capable of? Really nobody. And today, of course, we take the internet for granted and the world would be a different place without the internet. Well, I think the same is going to happen with cryptocurrency. It's a digital form of real money. And because of its limited nature, it does have a history of appreciating in value. In fact, Bitcoin has already proven to be the best investment in the history of the world. So if you're curious as to how it can work for you financially, just click on the link below this video where it says learn more, go to the next web page and enter your name, email and phone number, and it'll be my pleasure to send you further information. And do take me up on my offer, of course, for that private and personal consultation, and I'll show you all the different ways how I create income from the cryptocurrency market.